Hello YouTube. So today we are going to change the belt on this challenge lawnmower. It looks like this, and the model number is me1031. So this is the model number, and we're gonna put the new belt in. 6PJ490 is the belt number for this. So we have ordered one from eBay. So I'm going to show you what it does when the belt is broke first. Okay, so if I can plug this in, so when we press that button, the motor itself is spinning but blade is not moving, so you can smell a little bit of burned rubber as well. So you can clearly see that the belt has came off, because this is the actual thing which should spin. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, you should be able to see a black belt through these holes. There's no black belt in there. So first we're gonna remove the blade. To remove the blade, we need a 13mm socket wrench. So I've got this 13mm T-wrench or torque wrench, or you can use a normal 13mm key, and it always opens anti-clockwise. So you need to hold the blade with one hand and then open. Make sure you put a cloth or something so you don't cut your hands, but I'll use my foot. So I'm holding the camera from the other hand, so it's quite hard. Okay, so once you raise it up, remove that screw. And the blade. Okay, the next thing you need to do is remove these 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4th here, and 5th one here. And from the top you need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here. Okay, so I'm gonna do that quickly now. Okay, so once you remove the bottom 5 screws, you'll get this whole thing out. Okay, to get this out, we need these 5 screws to be removed. Okay, so you can see the belt is broken, and it's the same model, 6PJ490. Okay, so before you put the new belt, make sure you clean this old rubber from the belt. Use a brush or something, and then you need to lose these 4 screws so you can move the motor a bit closer there, because the new belt is going to be very tight. Right, so I've done a little bit of brushing here, and I'm gonna lose these 4 screws. Okay, so you can see that you can move the motor closer now. So here's the new belt. Again, it's the model number is 6PJ490. Okay, so you can put that here. You need to stretch a little bit, but this is not going to be that hard. Once you move it closer, the closer it is, the better it is. Okay, so you can't leave it like that now, so you need to tighten it back with the good tension here, because if you leave it loose, it can break again. Okay, so let me just show you what we do next. Okay, so after we put that in, I use normally my thumb to pull it away like this. Can you see the screws moving? from there as well, and then from the right hand I'll just tighten them up. Okay, so move that like that, and then you can see that I'm going to tighten that. So right, so the belt is in, but before we turn it on or try it, we will manually move it so we can see if the thread inside this motor has adjusted the belt according to its thread. Okay, so everything gets aligned when you move it manually before you straightly turning it on, and if it runs faster before even settling down, you can break it again. Okay, so a little bit of manual check, a bit of tension check, and then we are ready to go, and we will fit it back again with the same 5 screws, the whole thing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now how to do that. So this motor part is gonna go into this one. That, and this wire is going to go there, and the 5 screws at the bottom. We'll put it back. We need to clean it a little bit as well, so I'll probably hold it. Okay. It is a very simple and quick job, so don't have to worry about too many tools. You don't need too many tools, just need a basic plus screwdriver and this torque wrench, or any, basically you can use any tool. You can use a wrench or something like that. Okay, so again with the foot, okay, make sure you tighten it properly, so good to go. And we will give it a, in the start we will run it for a couple of seconds, like not quickly, and then slowly we will speed it up. Okay, so we're gonna put the cup back on. So all 4 screws going back. Okay, all done, all screws done. So let's check it now. It works now. So I'm gonna check if it's plugged in or not. Right, so you can see the belt from these holes again now, black belt. Okay, nothing. And now we're gonna test it. Okay, so at the start we will just do a little bit of run. Okay, okay, so it's working. Okay, so that will help the belt settle again. Okay, and that's it, all done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you next time.